How to open Old NGL account. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Old NGL account. Alright, so let's begin. This NGL app is an app where you can ask or get asked about anything and you can get answers. Then in order to log back into the same account, it is very simple. So first I am logged in this account. Here tap on this gear icon, then on settings tap on settings and you have these following options to delete account or many more. So what you can do is simply if you want to delete this account, you can just delete it. If you want to log into the same account once you are logged out of it, what you have to do is log in with the same old credentials you used for logging in the beginning. So yep, that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can open old NGL account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.